Hello everyone, this is Vivek and you are watching Rotten Mac. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to add Android app icon in your application you're building through Android Studio. So let's quickly start. It's a simple easy process. I will just randomly I will name this. Okay, now let load the project. Okay, now the project is loaded. So first I will show you, okay, let the Gradle build to be completed, and I will show you how the default app icons. So I will show you how the default app icon looks like. So I will just here go and run the default application with, okay. Okay, now this is my default application icon app. Okay, now I will show you how the default application looks like. See, you can see here icon app. It has no icon, it shows the default icon. Now we will change it, like how this all icons look like. So we'll also give an icon here. So we'll jump to our Android Studio. What happened? Okay, so simply have to click on this app, then new, and then go to image asset here. Okay, now you have to select the path, this one, path. Now you can also select clip art, and also you can select text as your icon for your app. And so if you want to select image, just go to image, and then you have to select where is your file location, image location, and it should be home, downloads, and okay, select this. Okay, now you can see my app icon is here. Now if you want to, you can resize it how much you want. I will keep it at 100%. Now you can see. So if you want to trim, you can trim, but I'll keep it as no, sorry. Okay, now next. Okay, now click on, you can see here, now click on finish. Now make sure that your icon image has the pixels of 512 into 512, that is 512 width, 512 height. So it's done. Now wait, I'll just So now you can see my app icon is here. Now I will just once again I will play. It's installing. You can see down. It's installing. Now you can see. Now I will go back to home page, and you can see my app icon is being changed now. So this is it for now, and we'll meet in the next video tutorial where I will be teaching how to convert your website or your blog into an Android application. So for now, this is it. Goodbye and take care.